There's one. Okay, so there we go. Pretty basic carburetor. So this will be the first time that a actual hot or live battery has been hooked to this bike. Probably in about 3 to 5 years would be my guess. So what we're going to do is we're just going to see if we got any kind of stuff working on this. If so, we're in great shape. If not, then we got a lot to do. So let's see what we get here. If I could get a hold of it. Ooh, we got headlight. Yes, it's hanging down. Do we have high-low beamage? Oh my goodness, you got to be kidding me. All right, we got here. We're on. Yes, it's in neutral. That is outstanding freaking news. Okay, I got to do that one more time. Got to love the flat tips. I don't know what I like better. I don't know if I like the fact that S&S carbs are mounted with bolts, or that CV carbs just slide on the manifold. High-end flat tips that S&S decides to use because, you know, why not? There. That sounded promising. Ah, thank you. I had that one on there real loose. When you do this, make sure you use the wrong size wrench, which is what I'm doing. Be able to pull this, yep, all out. Pop this wheel off, or axle. Golly, why is it so tight? And that's it. Oh, that's like, golly, that's like barely on there. There, okay. Now I can get to it. Of course that had, wow, that was like, that was almost like hand tight. Cool little Z-bars. Not too bad. Actually kind of heavy, pretty stout. You can see this top clamp here. It's pretty good shape. That is good. That fender's ready to go. Both sides cleaned up. Look at this side over here real quick. I think that's going to work good for our purposes for this bike. You know, I kind of hate to put too much as far as controls on this bike because bars look so good. And that's good too. And for our grip that we dropped. But just to get up here close, you can see what we ran. It's nothing fancy. I mean, you can see there, you've got, it's kind of crude looking and zip tied, but you know what? That's fine. They're zip tied from the factory like that, and we're just trying to run them up the bars as best as possible. We're going to go for the test. We got all three still hooked up down there. We got these hooked up here. Let's see what we get. Perfect. Yep, map to spec. There we go. And for this fun side, Come on. We'll adjust that. We'll be set. Oh, what would the world be without ratchet wrenches? Oh, there we go. Wow, she's just sliding right on. Get in there. Come on. Don't. This should not be difficult. Good grief. There we go. Boom. Looks good.